Another product that I've read a lot about recently is Rapamycin. Do you have any thoughts on Rapamycin in terms of product, overall thoughts? I know you used to be at TaylorMade in the past, so.
I absolutely love rapamycin, and rapamycin is probably one of the drugs I'm most hopeful for to be applied now to really slow the aging process. In almost every animal study, it has on average, upwards of a 6% increase in total lifespan, which is pretty incredible with just one single intervention. I also tend to think that one of the theories about why rapamycin works is called this hyperfunction theory of aging, which is really complicated, but essentially what it shows is that the earlier you start rapamycin, generally the better it is for long-term outcomes. And so I think there's really no reason that people shouldn't be implementing rapamycin as a treatment for anti-aging. I think it is something that is sustainable and one of the best therapies on our radar at the moment.
Perfect. Listen, thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you on another one.